What's up guys, and welcome back to Master Download app. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome and beautiful app. This app will allow you to shoot photos and videos with live effects and a bunch of cool tools all in one. This app is Musemage. This app, guys, allows you to shoot videos, photos, time-lapse, stop motion, and more. This app also allows you to manually shoot a video so you can manually adjust focus, white balance, shutter, ISO function, and more. This app is honestly great. Musemage's most unique feature is that it enables you to use different filters and effects all in real-time processing while shooting in full HD video and full resolution photos. This app also has 33 camera lens filter and special effects filters. You can shoot a fisheye video and use another camera effects in real time and more. This app, guys, gives you a lot of useful features that you cannot find in another app. Okay, in magic color option here you can change the color of any object when shooting a video. It's a useful feature in any situation. In blue screen here you can replace any background into funny picture or video of your choice. With real-time beauty, you can repair wrinkles and blemishes, hair, eyes, and other details. Instantly have a smooth face. One of the things that I love about this app is that it has a video editor in it so you can quickly edit and manage your videos, add music, apply filters, and more. Another good feature of this app is that it supports 4K videos in all after processing features. If you want, you can change the export option from here in the settings. You can select loud, standard, medium, or 4K quality. Another thing that I love about this app is that you can take photos while recording a video, which is not available in the system camera app. This is a pretty good feature. Okay guys, this app is one of the useful apps that I had to share with you because of its features. With just a simple download, Musemage opens up your device's camera like no other app can do. It enables you to use different filters and effects all in real time in full HD. This app is one of the apps that I think is useful and I should share it with you. I recommend you guys to give it a try. Alright guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you in the next videos guys, and peace.